Welcome back. I think we might do a little bit more on this today. So, as the title of the video says, I think we're going to be on this again today. I know the last video I said that I was going to get some work done on the Cleaver, try and get that commission put back on the road, but thanks to Boris, we're all staying safe, staying home, so I don't know if there's any so much need to put that back on the road yet, on account of the fact I just can't get anywhere in it. So we're going to go get back on with this, I think, and get a bit of work done on this again. So yeah. Right, so for them that have been following on social media, and I can't remember if I did it in the last video or not, I've already welded on the plate here to extend the inner wing back over to where it should be, to here. So the next plate we're going to be putting in, I think we're going to be making a start on this one here. I've got the plate cut, ready to go in, which I'm pretty happy with for it fitting. Also, I would like to get, there's a little bit of rust in this corner here where this flange just isn't quite, the gap in the flange basically. So all I'm going to do is just cut a little plate in there to fill this piece in. There we are. Simple patch just to put the edge back on. Made and welded. I think what I'll do off camera, what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this piece up to here as well. I think that's supposed to probably be touching there, I would imagine, and dress the inside up. But yeah, we're getting there, slowly but surely. Right. I know there was a few people asked us about this patch panel and how I made it. The fact is, I was going to go back over it and show you how I made it, but what I'll do is I'll just go through it in a future video, because there's a few more patches still to make on this car, one or two. But that's it, getting it welded in there. Reasonably happy with that, just got to dress it up. I mean, it's solid there now, so that's not going anywhere, so I'm happy enough with that. And it's gone all the way through. There we have it. She's in. Nice and strong. There's going to be any problem with that. I've got the back to dress up a little bit tomorrow, because I've managed to get, like I say, I've managed to get the weld right the way through. But yeah, it's coming together. Now I have it. That's a wrap on today's video, because it's freezing down here today. As I say, we've got that in. Next video probably be starting with the actual inner arch and splash guard. That's the plan for the next video. We'll see how it goes. depending on a lot of things, you know. I might still put the Cleaver back on the road, so it's a good chance could also be that thing getting serviced, ready to go. Depends on, still waiting on a few more parts coming in, depends if I get them in or not. Once again, I'd like to thank all the new subscribers because they are still creeping up. Again, without you guys here watching these videos, there's probably not going to be as much motivation there to get this thing done as possible as I would have. And to be honest, I'm absolutely over the moon with it. I don't think I've been this motivated in my whole life. It's great. So yeah, thanks to the new subscribers. Don't forget to tune in next time to see more things. Might go into a bit of detail how I'm going to make this panel, because this panel I think is going to be a bit on the tricky side to make. So that could be fun to do. Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.